Today we are going to talk about 5 online business ideas you can start in 2023. But before we start, you must understand that nothing is easy. You will need to be consistent, patient and put in a lot of effort to become successful in this business. But when you meet these conditions, success is guaranteed.
Number 1. YouTube.
YouTube is very good for people who want to turn their passion into a profitable business. There are several methods for monetizing YouTube videos. First is advertising revenue. You earn money for views and clicks on ads that are displayed on your videos. How much you get for 1000 views depends on the niche you are in. The best niches for a high CPM, cost per 1000 impressions, are for example finance, health, investing, dropshipping, travel, technology and more. If you are lucky, you can have $30-40 or more CPM on your YouTube channel. The second method is sponsorship. Sponsorships are a way for you to partner with brands and companies to promote their products. But make sure the products are relevant to your audience. Overall, sponsorships can be a great way to monetize your channel and build relationships with brands. The most important thing is to stay true to your audience. The third method is merchandise sales. You can sell branded merchandise. For example, hoodies, t-shirts and everything else your audience will appreciate. This is the best way to build a loyal fan base. The fourth method is crowdfunding. This method is probably best for podcast channels, where you can give special content to people who support you on platforms like Patreon. If you like video editing, writing scripts and everything else around this business, this is the best idea for you. If you want to know more about YouTube, just write it down in the comments, and I will make a whole video about it. Just don't be scared and start working on your YouTube dream.
Number 2. Dropshipping.
Dropshipping can be a fantastic choice if you are trying to launch an internet business with little initial outlay. The industry has gotten more saturated as a result of dropshipping's rise to popularity as a business strategy in recent years. When there are too many companies selling the same goods, the market is said to be saturated. At this point, it is more difficult to stand out and generate sales. But there is also a TikTok where your views and followers can explode overnight. You can post videos about your product on TikTok, Instagram and Pinterest for free and get sales. If you want an easier way to sell your products, you can pay for ads, for example on Facebook, TikTok and more. Here are a few steps to get started with your dropshipping business. Step 1. Choose your niche or product category that you want to sell. Step 2. Find a reliable dropshipping supplier that carries the products you want to sell, for example Zendrop or Saleho. Step 3. Set up an online store using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Step 4. Start marketing your store using social media, advertising and other methods. Step 5. Send orders to your dropshipping provider, who will take care of the shipping and logistics to satisfy orders. Starting a successful dropshipping business today takes time and effort, but with strategy and mindset, this idea can be successful for you. Good luck and don't give up. Your first order will definitely arrive.
Number 3. Affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing that enables you to monetize the promotion of other people's products and services. You receive a commission when someone clicks on your link and make a purchase with it. This business is probably best for people who create valuable content on social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and more. The most important thing is to be transparent with your audience about the affiliate links you promote. Choose an affiliate program that will help your audience resolve their problems. When you are doing dropshipping content, it is good to have an affiliate program with Shopify and others. You may include YouTube into this concept, but remember, all these ideas take time, effort and patience except this. Choose the right affiliate program, create valuable content, and you will earn a nice income.
Number 4. Personal brand.
In today's digital age, personal branding is more important than ever. You may attract fresh opportunities and create credibility and trust through them. Personal branding is the process of creating and managing your public image in order to establish your reputation and increase your visibility. It's about showcasing your unique skills, experience, and personality in a way that appeals to your target audience. Let's now discuss some top strategies for developing your own brand. Identifying what you want to be recognized for is the first step in creating your own brand. Online presence. Create a professional website, grow your social media, and show your brand. Valuable content. Educate your audience, inspire them, and create valuable content. This is a great way to promote yourself as an authority in your area. Be consistent. When it comes to personal branding, consistency is essential.
Number 5. Print on demand.
Print on demand is a business model that allows you to create and sell custom products without having to hold inventory. You can design your own products, print them, and ship them to customers. Create a design for a product such as a hoodie, t-shirt, phone case, pillow or anything else. Upload your design on platforms like Printful and Teespring. Platform prints your design and ships your product to the customer. You earn a profit from the sale. Most important is to choose the right platform. Do high quality designs at a good price and promote your products. You can do this for free on TikTok, Instagram and others. Make the best possible strategy for selling your products, and you will build a successful print-on-demand business. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that some of these business ideas helped you find what you want to do in your life. If you don't like any of these ideas, there are much more opportunities you can take advantage of in 2023. It's all on you. If you have any questions, write them down below and I will answer them. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time.